Hi, I'm Bob with Top Choice Real Estate, and today I'm walking through our featured home of the month, spotlighting a classic two-story design. This home is at 12770 Bristow Lane in the sought-after Avalon of Fishers community. It just came on the market this past week, and it's got an even $500K ticket on it. It is listed with Berkshire Hathaway, but FYI, I can help you with any home in the state of Indiana, whether it's listed by myself, another realtor, or even a FSBO. Let's take a look around, shall we? Let's start with curb appeal. As you walk up, your eyes instantly go to the pristine landscaping and the irrigation system fueled fairway lawn. We step inside to the large foyer with abundant natural light showing off the two-story staircase. There's an inviting great room with a gas log fireplace and a wall of windows. The kitchen offers up an abundance of cabinets, a center island, and a full set of stainless steel appliances. Also found on the first floor are a private dining room, living room, and an office, or hey, you can turn it into a playroom. Moving upstairs, we find a spacious primary ensuite with a vaulted ceiling, double sinks, garden tub, separate shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. 3 of the 4 bedrooms offer views of the pond, and that adds to the tranquility that you just feel throughout the whole house. Okay, let's go down to the finished basement. Got a cozy family room with an electric fireplace, a workout room, a full bath, and a furnace that's just a year old. And the entire place just shouts pride of ownership. Let's step out back. This is the real treat. There's a stunning pond view from the stamped concrete patio. There's a built-in fire pit, a gas grill, and an outdoor fridge. And it all overlooks a stock pond with a lighted fountain. And let me share, I've got one of those in my backyard, and it is a lot of fun. We take a great deal of delight sitting on the deck, watching the fish in the pond, the birds and the ducks fly in and out, and the lighted fountain is really nice at night. Hey, it sounds like fun. The neighborhood amenities abound. You're talking 2 adult pools, kiddie pools, basketball and tennis courts, and a sand volleyball court. Heck, there's even walking trails that connect with the new Geist Greenway. Plus, it's conveniently located to A-rated schools, some of the best in the entire state. There's unlimited shopping and dining opportunities, and just what a wonderful place to call home. Hey, if I can help you buy or sell your next home, be sure to give me a quick call or text because I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, you make it a great day now. So if you're considering moving here, you're going to want to pick up our relocation guide. It's free and there's no obligation. My staff and I have prepared the ultimate relocation guide, and you can get your copy below. If you're considering relocating to the greater Indianapolis area or moving anywhere within central Indiana, be sure to tune in every week to learn all there is to know about real estate and living in Indiana. Whether you're buying or selling, please keep in mind, I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, make it a great day now. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next clip right now.